Once upon a time, in a small town called Pretoria, in South Africa, a boy named Elon Musk was born on June 28th, 1971. From the very beginning, Elon was different. He loved books more than anything else and could spend hours reading science fiction and learning about computers. A curious start. When Elon was just 10 years old, he taught himself how to code using an old computer. By the time he was 12, he created his first video game, Blastar, and sold it to a computer magazine for $500. This showed how curious and determined he was, even at a young age. But Elon's childhood wasn't always easy. He was often bullied at school, which made him feel lonely. Yet, he found comfort in his dreams of creating amazing things that could change the world. A bold move to America. At 17, Elon left South Africa to study in Canada, and later, he moved to the United States, the land of opportunity. He studied physics and business at the University of Pennsylvania, dreaming of making a big impact. During his university years, Elon and his roommate rented a house and turned it into a small nightclub to earn extra money. This entrepreneurial spirit stayed with him throughout his life, building the future. His first companies. After college, Elon co-founded a software company called Zip2, which provided online business directories and maps. Big companies like the New York Times and Chicago Tribune used his product. In 1999, Elon sold Zip2 for $307 million, making him a millionaire at just 27 years old. But Elon didn't stop there. He co-founded X.com, an online payment company, which later became PayPal. PayPal revolutionized online payments and was sold to eBay for $1.5 billion in 2002. By then, Elon had bigger dreams that seemed impossible to many, reaching for the stars. SpaceX. Elon always wanted to explore space. He founded SpaceX in 2002 with the goal of making space travel cheaper and accessible to everyone. In the beginning, SpaceX faced countless failures. Their first 3 rocket launches failed, and the company was on the brink of bankruptcy. But Elon never gave up. In 2008, SpaceX finally succeeded with its 4th launch, becoming the first private company to send a rocket into Earth's orbit. Today, SpaceX is working on missions to Mars and creating reusable rockets to make space travel sustainable. Driving the world forward, Tesla. In 2004, Elon joined Tesla, an electric car company. At that time, electric cars were slow and not very popular. Elon wanted to change that by creating cars that were fast, stylish, and good for the planet. Tesla faced many challenges, including running out of money, but Elon's vision kept it alive. Today, Tesla is one of the most valuable car companies in the world, known for its innovative electric cars and renewable energy solutions. Solving Earth's problems. Elon didn't stop with Tesla and SpaceX. He started Solar City to provide clean energy, developed Hyperloop to revolutionize transportation, and launched the Boring Company to create underground tunnels for faster travel. He even founded Neuralink to connect the human brain with computers. Lessons from Elon's journey. Elon Musk's story teaches us that dreams, no matter how big or impossible they seem, can come true if we are determined and willing to work hard. He faced failures, criticism, and challenges, but always kept moving forward. His journey reminds us to believe in our ideas, take risks, and never give up. The future awaits today. Elon Musk is one of the richest and most influential people in the world, but he remains focused on solving humanity's biggest problems, from saving Earth to making life multiplanetary. So, what can you learn from Elon Musk's story? Dream big, work hard, and always keep going, even when the road seems tough. Like Elon, you too can achieve incredible things.